Welcome back to Internet is Forever TV, the place where good ideas go to die and chainsaws meet their final boss, gravity. Today, we're diving into the world of tree cutting fails, where safety gear is optional, planning is non-existent, and the house always loses. From chainsaw slips to trees falling the wrong way, always toward the expensive stuff. This is what happens when I Got This turns into Call the Insurance Company. First up, he warned Terry, don't do it, but he did it anyway. Too bad they didn't think about moving the car away.
This is my only warning. Terry, don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, yeah, let's do it. Terry! It's coming! It's coming!
Next up, a homeowner calmly films as a tree falls right onto his house. Not much he can do. Just watch it happen.
Come on, baby. There it goes. Onto the fucking house. Onto my fucking house, guys. Onto my fucking house. Onto my fucking house. Well, I don't know where I'm living now. Great.
Playing a game of whack fuck here.
Whack!
Next, according to the plan, this wasn't supposed to happen, but it did. And now, there's a brand new addition to the roof.
Oh shit. Holy crap. Oh. Damn it. That wasn't supposed to happen.
Nope, what happened? What happened? Brad hit. Do
Brad.
not go inside. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's in the house right now. Don't go inside.
Look at the pig. I was waiting to watch that.
Up next, many people think a truck can do everything, but no, it can't. Sometimes you need common sense more than a rope and a truck.
Oh my god.
Next up, looks like they were filming an ad or a TV show, but it clearly didn't go as planned for anyone, especially the homeowner.
Jeremy's making his back cut in this big oak tree top, and we're gonna be done for today. Holy fuck!
Next clip, clean cut, almost a smooth job. Looked like it was going well. But nope, the tree fell exactly where it wanted, right on the house.
You tried to put a jack in there.
Yep. And it just like...
There's part of the plate of the jack right there. Oh, goodness. Let's slide away from it.
I took some pictures and it stayed out of
I took it and did this and ran, it looked like.
Next, he was criticizing their work from the start, and rightfully so, because what happened next was a total disaster.
Had these trees, the eucalyptus trees, you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees, and then there's this power line here that goes to my house. You cut down one of the branches, like first thing, drop that power line right here out and install the power all the way down to the street down there, way down there. It all fell to the ground. The dude stopped cutting, and now the hardest part is still yet to go, and they just finished the power late last night. We got power back like 7 p.m. So now they're gonna come out today and do the hardest part with the power line back up. And they're not gonna hit the power? Let's see.
2 hours later.
I swear to God, you guys, did you guys just buy those fucking chainsaws today? I could have fucking done that. You're fucking sorry. Sorry's the right fucking word for it. Nice truck, dude.
Hey, bro, don't worry about it. We'll take care of it. The company has insurance and everything. So
Yeah, you fucking do.
Bro.
Hey, guess what? The fucking power's up, though. Good job on the fucking power, I guess.
Up next, disaster was put on pause, thanks to one tree stopping the other from finishing the job. Let's hope the house gets spared this time. Next clip. This is just insane. Who thought it was a good idea to cut a tree onto the road without any warning signs? And the worst part, no one even tried to stop the oncoming car. Sloppy and careless all around. The tree gets its revenge. Next, he messed up the first cut and figured the damage was done, so there's no turning back now. Up next, everyone could see the tree leaning toward the house, but these guys either had vision problems or way too much confidence.
We got motherfucking Tarzan! Oh, God!
Next, the rope holding the saw whipped around him like he was being punished for something. Clearly, the chainsaw gods were on his side this time. Even the kid understood how stupid this was, and that says a lot.
I think they need a better plan.
They sure do. Oh, would you look at that? The customer's calling me.
Next, maybe it was a language barrier at fault this time, because whatever the plan was, it clearly got lost in translation.
¿Qué pasó?
No mames. Me está diciendo acá el señor que tumbamos el árbol.
Cut down the wrong tree.
Oh no!
Up next, a tree is gonna tree. If you leave your tools where it's falling, don't act surprised when nature does its thing.
Shit, the bed.
Next, they parked the crane next to the one hidden septic tank in the entire yard. No signs, no warnings, just good old luck.
I'm in a septic tank. I'm in a septic tank. Yo! I'm in a septic tank. I'm in a septic tank. Video this, small here. Video this. Video this. It's going right now. See video. Get ready for the table on the roof. Back over, move out of there. Turn over. No, you ain't. Get right the computer off up there. Hey, watch that 200-pound ball. Watch that ball. Go ahead and hook that ball. That little septic tank gonna be almost turn the crane over. It's bumping the whole septic tank in. I thought there was too. Dave's on city. Damn, man, I broke my cable on.
Up next, old tree, weak roots, straight onto the house. This is why we need chainsaw warriors. the professional kind. Next, quick clips of how things can go wrong when cutting trees near homes. Even the pros aren't immune.
The fence! Oh shit! Oh fuck!
See, it is.
Next clip, when a tree splits your house in half, no chainsaw needed, nature handled this one solo.
And Philip started yelling, "This one's us, this one's us," and the tree cracked and turned and landed, or started falling, and I, with all of our animals, dove onto the floor, and the tree cut our house in half. We were about 5 feet away from where it landed, so right in the kitchen, and so the tree's here, and like the couch is here. We were right here when it landed.
So it was really close to you?
Yeah, like
you saw it fall through the house?
Mm-hmm. We watched it happen. I don't know if I'll ever be able to describe it. It was the loudest thing I've ever heard. It was like a bomb went off in the house or something. Debris everywhere. It broke the sink, the water lines, the water everywhere. Like our ears were ringing. Like we were so shooken up we couldn't understand what we were saying to each other, and it was indescribable. These people are amazing. They're my heroes right now. We've had people canceling on us. We've had people just no call, no show us. We've been trying to get things tarped. We've been trying to get like our insurance adjuster out here, and it's incredible.
Up next, Tree 1, Pants 0. Some fights you just can't win. Next clip, the crane had one job. The tree said, "Not today." Next up, when ropes are too much work and logic takes the day off. Enter Bobcat versus Gravity.
This is what you don't do when you cut a tree. All the weight leaning to the house. No ropes, no nothing. Dangerous as hell. Just had to tell the man to get out the Bobcat. don't want these guys cutting the trees. I asked them if they had ropes, they need to tie it off and pull it. Damn, he's picking up there. I don't think the rope's long enough. It'll fall on the damn tree. The tree will fall on the damn tree. If they do get that little rope, they got time. But I think she's too far gone. She's getting ready to go, boys. Too far gone. There she goes. And that's what you don't do, boys and girls. Heck, don't I hate that for them people.
No! Oh my God!
Up next, what happens when you try cutting a tree next to your house by yourself? Nothing good, absolutely nothing.
Oh, here goes. It is going the wrong way. Oh my gosh.
Oh shit. Seriously?
Next up, cut all the branches? Check. Cut the tree? Check. Forgot to miss the house? Also check.
Whoa! Oh shit.
And that wraps up today's episode of Trees Gone Rogue. Remember, chainsaws don't come with common sense, and nature doesn't care about your house. If you enjoyed watching other people learn that the hard way, hit that like button, subscribe for more epic fails, and drop a comment below. Which clip made you yell "No" the loudest? See you in the next disaster.
¡Ay, Dios santo! ¡A la verga!
Here comes the car. Look.
Oh man.
Oh,
Oh my God, flying squirrel, boy. Whoa. Oh shit, watch out, boy. Oh shit, he dipped like a chip.